Welcome to our What's New in 2020 series. I'm Mark and I'll take you through the updates in sketching. SOLIDWORKS 2020 introduces new sketch enhancements that make getting your ideas inside SOLIDWORKS faster than ever, especially when using a touch-enabled device like this HP ZBook Studio. Sketch Ink is a great way to create sketch geometry like this slot. Now, in SOLIDWORKS 2020, you can enter dimensions without needing a physical keyboard. Simply touch inside the number field and use the pop-up window to enter a dimension. Tools like Convert Entities are conveniently accessed using the customizable Shortcuts toolbar. Adding commonly used tools like Fillet and Chamfer to this toolbar may make sense, but there's a faster way. SOLIDWORKS 2020 introduces Power Modify to make rapid edits using gestures rather than picking individual tools. Use a curved stroke to fillet or a straight one to chamfer. Split entities using an X gesture and mend mistakes quickly with Power Modify's Extend capability. Trim away excess by starting your stroke with a squiggle. A double stroke through an entity will create a draggable offset. Likewise, a double stroke through a shaded contour will offset the whole contour. Let's finish this feature with a quick extruded cut. The zebra stripes here show that the underlying sketch entities are continuous but have no curvature constraints. Creating smooth transitions between splines and other entities has always been possible with tangency and curvature continuity. With SOLIDWORKS 2020 it gets even smoother with G3 continuity. Finally, making mistakes is part of the design process, but using the undo button too liberally may result in lost work. SOLIDWORKS 2020 makes significant improvements to the redo function so that, even if you accidentally undo out of a sketch, your changes aren't lost. SOLIDWORKS 2020 makes sketching fast and powerful, with or without a touch-enabled device. In summary, SOLIDWORKS 2020 brings us Power Modify, improved undo and redo, and G3 continuity curvature constraints. Powerful sketching tools and predictable undo-redo.